If you want to know how you can use the Apple Intelligence on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, let's enable Apple Intelligence on our iPhone. For that, let's go to Settings, and in Settings you will find the option of Apple Intelligence. Just tap on it, then enable the toggle for Apple Intelligence from here. Now if you also want to use ChatGPT with Apple Intelligence, just swipe down, and under the extensions section, just tap on ChatGPT. As you can see, it is currently grayed out. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on it once it finished downloading. And from here, just tap on Setup in front of Use ChatGPT. Tap on Next and select Enable ChatGPT. And once you do that, you will be able to use ChatGPT with Apple Intelligence. Now, to enable Apple Intelligence, you can either press and hold the side button, and it will enable Apple Intelligence, or you can use your voice to enable Apple Intelligence. For that, just go back to the Apple Intelligence and Siri, then tap on Talk and type to Siri. Now from here, if it is on off, just select Siri or Hey Siri. Then tap on Continue. Now just say the following sentences. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. And once you have done that, you will be able to use Apple Intelligence using your voice by just saying, Hey Siri, introduce yourself.
I'm Siri. Pleased to meet you.
As you can see, this is how you can enable Apple Intelligence using your voice. Now to use Apple Intelligence, you can either use Apple Intelligence as your personal digital assistant to do tasks in your iPhone, like, Hey Siri, open Safari. Hey Siri, go to the home screen. Hey Siri, enable Do Not Disturb mode.
Okay, I've turned Do Not Disturb on.
Just like that. Or you can use Apple Intelligence to answer your questions, like, Hey Siri, what is the name of the tallest building in the world?
Here's an answer from wikipedia.org.
Hey Siri, what's the length of the tallest building in the world?
Do you want me to use ChatGPT to answer that?
And from here, you can use ChatGPT to answer these questions by just tapping on Use ChatGPT.
The tallest building in the world is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, which stands at 828 meters, 2,717 feet.
As you can see, Apple Intelligence has used ChatGPT to answer this question because ChatGPT is integrated with Apple Intelligence. Now, sometimes when you enable Apple Intelligence in the settings, it will not be enabled. It will use Siri instead of Apple Intelligence when you say, Hey Siri. So to fix this issue, just restart your iPhone. For that, just go to your home screen, then press and release the volume up button and the volume down button, and press and hold the side button of your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And by doing that, your iPhone will restart and it will fix this glitch and you will be able to use Apple Intelligence instead of Siri. And this is how you can use Apple Intelligence on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.